what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head.
So we finally got dressed, about to go out, about to go get our drink on.
About to get our drink on. All of the restaurants are booked, y'all, so we don't know what we're gonna eat tonight, but it better be good. It better not taste like them snacks we had earlier. But show them my outfit, y'all. This is my newest Shein outfit. This is me. This is vacation wear. Turn up.
Turn up. Gang, gang.
Rocking in the house.
About to go down. Believe that. Y'all stay tuned.
Everybody about to have
say some of that energy. Hey, she need to say some of that energy.
Okay, y'all. Remy, he got his hat on. When his hat is on,
the hat is
dressed
back.
up. When his hat is on,
back.
he dressed up. Y'all don't play with him. His hat. He got swim shoes on his head. Oh, we about to turn up.
The hat.
We about to turn up.
Let's go.
We just making our way downtown, walking fast, and we homebound. Such a nice view, y'all. It's a nice little walk. We don't really know where we going though. We headed to where?
Drink, get some drinks.
What the drink said?
I don't know, but we about to get towed up.
Turn up.
We about to get towed
Turn
up.
up. We done took a bath. We ain't got airport on us no more. We done got a little rest. He took a nap. I watched TV, but it was still rest. And what else?
We ate, so we good.
Okay, we kind of didn't eat though. That food was trash. So we walking all these stairs to see if we gotta make reservations for dinner. We came from the bottom. Now we going up. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my team here. Oh look y'all, this is cute up here. I don't think I ain't come up here last time. Did I show y'all this? And this is the Beloved restaurant we were looking for upstairs. Okay, y'all, so Raymond found us a restaurant we can go to, which is called Beloved. I just showed y'all that. Since we have our little orange bands, we do not have to make reservations, so we found where we're gonna eat dinner at. Pretty excited about that.
I'm excited because we privileged.
He like anything VIP, y'all.
If you got the orange band, like you pretty much have access to everything. Pretty much.
They started us off with the blue one, y'all, and we didn't have access to nothing. But I'm happy we orange now. Okay, change of plans. We are finna go to the buffet and eat before we drink. They close at 3 and it's like 2:30, so we gotta hurry up. Let's see what they got. It's called La Brisa. Thank you.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find.
Okay, so Remy made it to the table first. How was your food?
It needs some seasoning on it.
Oh, it needs salt. You use no salt and pepper?
I ain't even know it was salt and pepper right here. I could have used salt and pepper.
This is mine, y'all. I got a quesadilla, some mashed potatoes, ribs. I don't know, that's barbecue. I don't know if that's ribs. Corn on the cob. I think these are potato logs. I don't know what that meat is. It's probably crab or something. And then I got some pasta, pico, and some guac is under there too. I'll tell y'all how it tastes when I get through. Okay, for real this time, y'all, we about to go get something to drink. The food. No.
No flavor.
No flavor. So we're gonna go drink and try to get some flavor in this food. Hopefully dinner is delicious.
That's fact.
Hopefully dinner is gonna be good, y'all. Yeah, he just poured us a Mexican shot, and I mean, we wanted cuatro. One of those cuatro. He gave us ocho. Ocho shots.
One step forward, two steps.
Feeling good about it?
I'm scared.
All right, y'all. Our shots are here. Let's get this show on the road. Let's make these bad boys disappear.
It's about to be a long night. Like, it's about to be retarded. Like, it's about to be stupid. Shots.
Or a
shots.
short night. Shots give us short nights also.
It's about to go down. Round one. Fight.
Steps backwards, yeah.
Y'all, that hurt, but it wasn't as nasty as that other shot. The other shot was nasty.
Normally, I can take my shots back to back. I can't. They hurt.
Fight.
I can't do it.
Fight. He don't want to fight, y'all. He don't want to fight.
I'm
He
hot.
took his head off.
I'm hot
He took his
already.
head off.
Those 2 shots, but those are not no regular shots.
Burn right here.
It burned right here in my throat.
Quattro mile. Okay, y'all, we on our next round. They didn't have any Jose left, so we gonna get, who is this?
I don't know.
This is cousin, so we gonna try his cousin now.
Mature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Okay, y'all, we
But I just want
have,
to let y'all know I'm asleep right now.
okay, y'all, this
crazy
is
out
our
here.
4th shot in a row.
Jesus Christ.
We did take a break though.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.
My chest up. All right, y'all. If you take any more shots, y'all find out. There's too much going on. There's too much going on. We probably will walk down to the beach and see if we can walk. Can you walk? Walk.
Probably.
Why you spinning my face? All right, so we got 4.
Yes, sir.
This is gonna make 6.
This is gonna make 6.
And we probably gonna go to sleep after this.
Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me?
Yeah, we gotta get a hot dog to soak up some of these shots, cause I don't know how I'm standing right now.
Gang. We out. We about to eat. After we finish eating,
How many times do we eat today? All the food has sucked.
we're gonna drink it again.
Okay, y'all, so we over here at this little hot dog stand over here. It's a genuine hot dog, and hopefully y'all can see it. And hopefully this works out because we need it. We took like 8 shots. Y'all look at Raymond's stance. He swear he got it together. Look how his legs look. That's how he got the balance himself.
Dancing rehearsal. Look behind you.
I can't.
Is it a dancing rehearsal?
Oh, okay. We finna have a show tonight. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I want Italian.
Only have a pork.
Pork it is.
Pork it is. Those pork. Okay. Lorenzo, he make the best hot dog.
How you know? How you know?
Cause they look good and they smell good. She wanna get some hot dogs. Then she wanna go to that ice cream stand over there. Look over there.
Sure do. I'm gonna go over here to that ice cream stand, y'all, after this and see what they talking about. Because why not? Now this is my hot dog. It's the works. It has everything: onions, ketchup, mustard, and it's soft and it looks delicious. And Raymond's getting the same thing.
Thank you, Lorenzo.
Y'all, I'm so messed up right now. You taste it. Taste
This
it.
is so good.
Oh, you tasted it already?
Oh my God.
Okay, y'all, so Raymond said it's so good, so let's see. He ain't lying. It's so good.
This is true.
Look at that little thing. It's okay. The weenie, it needs salt and pepper still. Like, why aren't they seasoning the meat? But the bread, What's I talking about? Y'all, why is this the end of Raymond's hot dog? It was 0.5 seconds. Okay, y'all, we at this ice cream place. I think they have food, but we're gonna get dessert. So I think I'm gonna get banana caramel. Raymond said he was gonna get banana caramel. So the banana caramel says it's a crepe garnished with caramel syrup and banana and strawberry sauce. That sounds good. We probably gonna get that. He doing his thing. Look at that, y'all. Okay, Raymond, tell them what we ordered.
We got 2 caramel fraps.
No!
Why you hollering?
We had 2 banana caramels and what else?
We got 2 banana splits.
2 banana splits and 2 banana caramels.
That's what I said.
We got 2 caramel frappes. Okay, so our crepes came, and now we're just waiting. We're just waiting for our banana split to come. Look at the banana split. He's bringing it now. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You happy about that banana
Man,
split?
hey, look at me. I'm happy right now.
Taste it.
Yes.
See what it tastes like. What you think?
It's good. I'm about to be sick.
It tastes like Surefire, or it tastes like good ice cream?
It tastes like good ice cream.
Ooh, I'm gonna try both of these. Okay, so Remy said that the ice cream was good. Is this banana ice cream? What is this?
Good.
I don't know what kind of ice cream that is, but it's good. It don't taste like banana. Like dulce something. The strawberry is kind of strawberry in. And the chocolate is chocolate in. So we just gonna get a little bit of everything. We're gonna get the banana, we're gonna get the vanilla, we're gonna get the strawberry, and we're gonna get the chocolate. And we're gonna see what it all tastes like together.
I'm coming over here tomorrow.
Pretty good. We need to know what this banana dulce tastes like. This is the banana caramel. It's not that sweet, but it's still good. I like it.
Yeah. Hey, this is awesome. The bad part about this, we're gonna eat this up and we're gonna drink some more. We turning it up. Turn down for what?
So I talked Remy into coming over here by the hammock. Since we had so many drinks, we need to relax. And the hammock is the perfect place to relax. Ready to come on the other side?
You want some?
I want some.
Go get some.
What is?
Damn.
I just fell into it. I just fell into it. We hammocking, y'all. We hammocking. I love the hammock. No, for real, I really do love the hammock. I need a hammock at home. Do you know how to hook a hammock up? Well, when you find out, I'm gonna get one.
Okay.
We've been hanging out in this hammock for a long time. I've enjoyed it, but Raymond, he ready to get up. He ready to turn up.
I was asleep. I don't want to sleep my whole day out, day away, so that's why.
Sleep them shots away. We gotta sleep them shots
She
away.
said sleep. She said sleep the shots
We
away,
got
but we
to.
about to go get some more shots.
Per his idea.
It's not my idea, but we're gonna go take some shots though.
It is your idea. Yeah. Yeah, per his idea, because if it was my idea, I'd be in this hammock still. Hammocks are my favorite place to be. Okay, so we are back at the beach spot, I think it's called, but Raymond, he wants more shots. And I just want... Are we over here?
Yeah.
Down those 2 seats. We're waiting on our drinks. We haven't ordered it yet, but we're waiting. Y'all, so they said they're gonna have a beach party at 8:30, so we'll come back then.
Party.
Might as well have a beach party. And where we gonna go in the meantime?
We're gonna go find some shots.
Oh, we might not make it to the party. Raymond insists on more shots. We had like 8 shots already, y'all. But he insists on going to sleep, so. Oh, he got more, y'all. He got more. He got more. We're about to go to dinner, and hopefully we are dressed. Look at Raymond. Don't know if those swim shoes gonna make it, but they closed toe. So we're gonna see if they let us in
Hey, they gonna
to
have to
dinner.
they gonna have to let me in, cause your boy needs some food after them shots.
We'll see. Go again, y'all. We traveling all the way up these stairs for dinner. All right, y'all. The burger place is lit up since it's nighttime. I don't know if you have to have a reservation for it, but it's lit. They have a little sitting area over here too. But we're going to Be Loved, and it looks like you have to be loved to get up in here. All right, y'all, we're going to Be Loved. Hopefully we are loved in here. So we had to scan a QR code in order to get the menu. And I was just trying to figure out what we're gonna eat, but we do still have to wait to get seated because we don't have a reservation. But at least we get to wait, because before we didn't even know that. Okay, so we finally got in. Raymond, he's pretty happy about it because he was scared we wasn't gonna get no reservation.
I'm pretty cool. I'm good. Trying to sober up.
So I think I'm gonna end up getting. I forgot. But Raymond said you get steak, right?
Steak it is. Steak it is.
I forgot what I was getting, but y'all see what I get. Hopefully it's good. Hey y'all, they brought us chimichangas with some spicy sauce on the side as an appetizer. Raymond's about to dig in. Why you look like that?
That don't look right.
You try it. Try it and see if it tastes right.
I don't want to. I'll let you try.
I used to make little samples like this when I was little, and me and my sister used to eat them together. Why do you got this little samples? It's spicy. Wow, that is so good. And whatever this sauce is, I can eat this. I can pour this on anything. Eggs, chips. That is so good. Try it. You gotta try it. You got to. This appetizer, do you really need to try it with a fork? Try it. Give me more of that. It's good, ain't it? Okay, he brought us bread, y'all. We got bread white and bread with blooms. I think he said with blooms. With a little butter. Yeah. I'm gonna try the white bread. It's like I made this at home. They cut the butter up off the stick. Off the stick out. Why is that not salted? You know, salted butter. Let's see what's in this bread. It looks like wheat. Chocolate bread. I like brown bread. Okay, y'all, so Raymond, his food came. He got the flour taco, Jamaican style. Again. It looks like the appetizer with that little green sauce.
Let me see something.
Ooh, that got a nice little crunch to it. What does it taste like?
That's all.
Oh, what the meat tastes, what the taco tastes like? The taco?
It's just real crunchy. It don't taste like nothing.
Oh, I got my spinach ravioli, and there's a walnuts on top of it. Okay, let's try the spinach ravioli with the walnuts. Oh, I don't know how I feel about it. The way I'm cutting it, it's weird. Smell like ravioli. Not bad. It sounded good.
Not bad.
So my skillet meat came with my potatoes and my little tomato. And then Raymond's steak came. What is that sauce?
Ketchup. Thank you.
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. Hey, this is about to go down.
What does my skillet meat taste like? We'll let y'all know what it tastes like. Okay, y'all, so we ate dinner. It was pretty decent.
It was straight.
It wasn't the best, but it was like better than everything else we ate. So we're pretty happy about it.
I ain't tell you, but that steak had a lot of fat on it, though.
Oh yeah, my food had a lot of fat on it too, but at least it didn't need as much salt and pepper as the other food did.
Facts.
So we happy about that. So now we're about to go down here, and hopefully we didn't miss the party.
It's about to be a party time. Hey, I'm tired.
We've been looking at the party outside the window, so we don't know what's really going on, but let's go down and see. Okay, y'all, we are back in our room and we are done for the day. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, subscribe.
Gang,
we love y'all, and we will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Take for you to show, feed.